Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. This week marks the one-year anniversary of an absolutely horrific and challenging time for our community. A year ago, Winter Storm Uri barreled through Texas, leaving so many of us here in Austin and throughout the state without power and water, trying to survive extreme conditions few of us had ever fathomed before. In the past year, we've learned a lot at the City of Austin. We're now more prepared than ever should another devastating storm impact our community. We've made improvements to our electric and water systems. We've focused on language access, translating our emergency communications materials to include additional languages besides English and Spanish. And we've worked hard to educate the public about what they need to know to stay safe should we ever find ourselves facing this situation again. Preparing for disasters in advance can have a big impact on our safety and recovery in a crisis. Austin Water is sharing these helpful how-to videos and information about how exactly we drip pipes. Spoiler alert, just a drip will work, and no need to drip water pipes in the middle of your home as long as you open cabinet doors to keep them warm. Since November, Austin Water also handed out more than 10,000 winter toolkits that included tip sheets, hose bib covers, and meter box keys to help customers shut off their water in the event of an emergency. If you're unsure how to do that, they prepared a video to show you how. To find all this information, go to austinwater.org. You can also be prepared for possible power outages. Sign up for outage alerts by texting REG to 287-846. Also, be sure to keep phones charged and secure a portable charger power bank if possible. Avoid candles. Instead, keep flashlights and fresh batteries handy. And heat your home safely. Keep space heaters away from flammable materials. 311, your all-day, any-day information center, also fills us in on how to report issues that may need the city's attention, especially during extreme weather and with the ongoing pandemic.
We're not out of the woods yet. The weather continues to be shockingly cold this month. Did you know you can report AC and heating issues in park buildings? If you notice a city park building that has broken heat or air conditioning, download the Austin 311 mobile app and submit the park building AC and heating issue service request. You can also call 311 or 512-974-2000 to speak with a call ambassador and get your service request submitted. So don't get caught in the cold. Submit your service request to Austin 311 and let's make Austin better together. If you have questions about vaccination clinics, locations, sites, and hours, COVID-19 risk-based guidelines, and more, download the Austin 311 mobile app and click the COVID-19 information icon to navigate the austintexas.gov/COVID-19 page. Back to you, Marissa.
Thanks to 311 for that information. We won't soon forget the brave work of so many of our employees a year ago. Here's a look back at our Austin Energy crews as they worked to restore power all over the city this time last year.
Should be closer. 2911. 347.
Already?
Yeah.
Dang, it's gonna take longer than I thought.
2 days ago, I went home for the first time since the Thursday before. Normally, my wife and I, we always go on a Valentine's vacation. I missed that. This Friday was my birthday. I was working. So it's been a tough week. It's one of the longest I've had to work since I've been here. Man, the snow, the conditions themselves, just driving, we've had a couple close calls. Just navigating to our equipment was tough in itself.
So just imagine doing this when it's 17 degrees and your fingers don't want to work.
And I know there were guys working just as hard as we were to try to restore our power. Everybody helps each other. Everybody works together. It's a team. To the community, I would say, be patient with us for sure. We're definitely working hard, trying to get it restored. I know it's frustrating when your power's off for sure. Sometimes we don't know how long it's going to take because we haven't found the problem yet, and we're working to do and find that.
A lot of us don't have power, but at the same time, a lot of these people don't either, and they're out here trying to make sure that everyone gets power. So I just want to say thank you to all of them. I appreciate it.
It's tough, but like I said before, we've all been away from our families for long periods of time because of storm restoration. So if this is your first storm, I'm sure it's hard, but this is none of our first rodeos, so we got it. We're just out here to work and get our job done. I mean, if they could be patient, that'd be great, but if they're not, we totally understand, but they just have to know that we're not leaving until the power's on.
That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv and our social media channels. If you want more information on how you can best prepare you and your loved ones for a major disaster, visit austintexas.gov/prepared. Stay informed, stay safe, and be prepared.